A fire tore through the Borrowdale home of former Finance Minister Patrick Chinamasa on Friday, causing extensive damage. The ZANU-PF Secretary for Finance, an acting political commissar, said he was ruling out completely any foul play after firefighters responded to the inferno between 3:30 and 4 p.m. Chinamasa revealed that his one-year-old grandson was rescued unharmed from the main bedroom, where the fire was first detected following what he described as a boom sound. In a statement about the incident, Chinamasa said, "Thank God the child's mother, who had just arrived back from work, and the housekeeper managed to rescue the baby." The main bedroom, the bedroom where the fire originated from, and my study were all gutted by the fire and reduced to ashes. Nothing was saved from these rooms. The fire brigade arrived in time to save the dining room, the lounge, the kitchen and the 2 remaining bedrooms. As to the cause of the fire, I am suspecting an electrical fault. I am ruling out completely any foul play. Enemies may celebrate over my misfortune, but I believe there was no enemy hand behind this incident. I know social media will be awash with all sorts of speculations. This I have no power to stop. What I know from the bottom of my heart is that this was an accident, an act of God." Chinamasa said he had been left severely traumatized by the incident, adding, "It's not easy to accept that what we have worked for all our lives has gone up in smoke in a matter of seconds. All that we have remained with are the clothes we were wearing. The furniture, clothes, blankets, files, documents, records, manuscripts, family photos, everything, and above all my priceless and irreplaceable library is now just a heap of ash and rubble." Chinamasa invoked the biblical Job, whose story of keeping the faith, no matter how grim the circumstances of life may be, inspires Christians. "In conversations with friends and relatives, I find myself fielding Job-like questions, but I want to assure all who care for my welfare that in God I trust and He will provide," he said.